Hamilton Public Health says one Hamilton resident who recently traveled to South Africa tested positive for the new and emerging Omicron variant, and it is now case number 12 in Ontario. Through a released statement, Associate Medical Officer Dr. Ninh Tran says it's important for the community to remain calm and have confidence that all levels of government will follow the science as it relates to the Omicron variant. The health unit wouldn't say what symptoms the person is showing, but all close contacts have been notified as they investigate another suspected case.
Centers are keeping tabs on this, suggesting that symptom-wise, there doesn't seem to be any increased problem here. In fact, so people are appearing now with a greater fatigue than they were seen with the other variants.
However, epidemiologist Tim Sly believes the new strain is transmitting twice as rapidly as the Delta variant when it first emerged. The new spread resulted in Ottawa to issue travel bans to now 10 African countries after the first variant case was reported in South Africa last week. And yesterday, the federal government announced additional testing for international travelers who are not from the U.S.
Broader approaches are appropriate because you just don't know where this variant is, and some countries don't have the capacity to detect it.
With the latest Omicron case emerging, overall cases in Ontario have been rising in recent weeks, and the province has logged in more than 1,000 new cases for 2 days in a row. Experts aren't sure if it is more severe than the Delta variant, and they aren't sure how well current vaccines, even with the booster, will work against it. This week, Ontario lowered its age eligibility for boosters, but Sly says supply needs to divert elsewhere.
Vaccine equity is the key here to stopping future variants.
Hamilton Public Health says they're still looking into the second suspected Omicron case in the city, a person who also took a trip to South Africa. It's unclear exactly when those results will come in.